born to play. Do we all have purpose in life? Are we supposed to look for a role model to progress? What is the ideal technique for an unbiased learning? Do we blindly follow the old teachings or tweak them to suit our own situational realities? Does the old wisdom stay perennially aligned to the ever-changing and emerging new world? These questions often cross our minds, and therefore, we all need clarity on these important issues. Hello and welcome to my podcast, Whispering Vibes, Human to Human, the show that opens up new vistas to understand the enormity of being born as human. I am your host, Lieutenant General Vipin Gupta. Now, before I begin with this concluding episode of Season 1, titled Transcend Narrow Lanes in 2023, let me take this opportunity to wish all my listeners a very happy and prosperous new year. May you all discover your hidden powers and the joy of being born as human. Now let's begin. When our soul manifests in physical form, it comes with an already selected purpose and a life plan to achieve it. I strongly believe in it, as I don't think that we as humans are just born to expand our physical form, go through life aimlessly, and perish in the end. So we must accept that all of us have a purposeful life. If you trust this reality, then it's easy to understand that every soul selects people, environment, and conditions to help it achieve that purpose. That purpose could be a lesson or a set of lessons in order to evolve our consciousness. Our paths to achieve that purpose are unique, and hence our personality also reflects that uniqueness. Our original blueprint and mindset are aligned to our life plan, and accordingly we go through life attracting specific situations and people. Nothing happens without a purpose. Our free will helps us to choose options with respect to given situations to shape our destiny. The vital point is that our life is supposed to be guided by our basic instincts, our original and unconditioned nature. Unfortunately, it does not always happen that way, as we are subjected to many pulls and pressures imposed by society, our elders and peers. There is always an inbuilt desire to break free, but that desire gets curtailed by a web of customs and traditions weaved around us. To make things worse, our ego, nourished by a continuous stream of emotions triggered by these biases and prejudices, keep us separated from the real world. The internal tussle between our ego and consciousness keep our humanness confined to narrow lanes. Now let's understand as to how do we minimize the impact of society-created boundaries in order to open the floodgates of remarkable human potentials. First and foremost, we have to discard role-playing. Have you noticed our behavior when we are with our children? We immediately get into the garb of a role-playing father or a mother who operates from the mindset that says children have to be guided and tutored. This approach, once children grow up to take care of their basic needs, become counterproductive, as then it becomes a case of our advice versus nature's. We as parents forget that transcending role-playing is the key to allow the universe orchestrated guiding mechanism to take over. However, we just don't get out of this mold of once a parent, always a parent. Same rule applies to all other roles which are essentially tags given by the society like brother, sister, employee, employer, teacher, student, and so on. In this melee, we totally forget to play our original role, the role of an all-encompassing human. Role-playing not only restricts human vastness, but also curbs our spontaneity and originality. To give a simple example, let's say, if your son or daughter wants to try bungee jumping, how would you react? Well, it depends on the role that we are in at that particular moment. As a mother, father, brother, teacher, or a friend, we will all react differently. So, which one out of these is real you? The answer is obviously none. Now, just discard these roles and then see your reaction. It will certainly be natural, objective, and unbiased. And that's real you, the incredible human. Next, inability stems from the fact that from childhood we are accustomed to a form of learning that involves tutoring from the beginning till the end. This way, a student can only acquire knowledge up to the intelligence level of the teacher and not beyond. Hence, it has limitations and biases. Heuristic learning, on the other hand, aims at teaching just the basics, leaving the rest for the student to acquire by the practical and experimental learning. It therefore keeps all channels open to attain perfection in a natural way. All the great scholars and intellectuals excelled in their field through heuristic way of learning. The next habit, which keeps us confined to narrow lanes, is our failure to practice the art of staying alert, attentive, and conscious. Universal vibes are omnipresent to guide us through every situation. It communicates with us by sending us intuitive signals in many forms. In an attentive state, we get instantly connected to these guiding vibrations through our 6 senses. This practice also allows us to stay in the present moment, which elevates our consciousness. In such a state, we don't have to look for a role model because this job is performed flawlessly by universe. It places before us the combined symphony of old and the new wisdom. In this empowered state, we become teammates of the mighty universe and play every game of life together. Our practice to be in this state will help us transcend all boundaries knitted by society and make us infinite, boundless, and powerful like universe, our true human reality. Well, with these thoughts, let me wind up by thanking all of you for listening to my 21 episodes of Whispering Vibes. These were inspired by my book, Human to Human, The Source of Joy in Relationships, available on Amazon. You can repeat these episodes either individually or collectively on Spotify, Apple, or Amazon podcasts. Do rate them and share them in your circle of friends if you like them. Well, I'll sign off till we meet again with a new season next year. Take good care of yourself and keep listening to Whispering Vibes, Human to Human. And yes, have a rocking 2023. Thank you.